Hello everyone, welcome back to Grace G channel, and today we're going to be doing I would say my signature look. I think my look is pretty simple. I like a lot of red lipstick, a lot of purple lipstick. So I'm going to be doing this look today, and you let me know how it is, and yeah. So today we're going to be getting started with my first thing is I'm going to be using my primer right here. I got this in BoxyCharm today. This is my first time using this. It's a coconut skin smoothie priming moisturizer, and this is a base hydrant. And let me see, the directions is apply evenly over clean face, follow with makeup follow with makeup or wear along for a natural look. So I'm going to be using just a dot of this, and I'm going to put this in my face. My dog is watching me right now. Oh, he's awesome. Okay, anyway, next I'm going to be using my Juvias Place foundation. Oh my gosh, like I was looking everywhere for this foundation, and I finally found my shade 310 Burkina, and I'm also in the shade, if you want to know. Okay, so I'm also in the shade 355 Coconut for Superstay Maybelline. That's my favorite foundation. So if you're my skin type, my skin color, rather, not skin type, because my skin type is, I would say, combination. So I'm going to be using this, and as well as my beauty sponge from Elf. Okay, so I just have to go ahead and go with a little dot onto my beauty blender. Almost a lot, but we gonna work through it. So I just like to do little dots here and there. It might look like it's a lot at first, but I really need full coverage. Oh my god, I just can't think. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing Nairobi right here in this shade. I love gold. I'm gonna just put this in the corner of my eye. Ooh. Ooh. Favorite part is concealer up under my eyes. So I don't put it directly on there. I just put it right here. I'm gonna drag it up towards my eye, because you don't want it to look cakey. And just go like this. Highlight the face. Go in with my beauty blender. It's almost coming together, girl. Alright. I probably used my makeup when I was about 15, 16. Okay, y'all. What do you think? This is my signature look every day, or I use the other color lip bar, but we probably do that one next time. But so just let me know if you guys, how did you like my video, and just give me a comment. Just let a girl know, you know. So let me know, and I hope you guys have a good one, a good day, and I will see you next time.